let's wait. So, hindi po totoo ang news na lumalabas na walang transmission. Meron na kami pumapasok na transmission in our server, in that server room there. We are just consolidating as we speak. So, just hintayin lang natin ng konti. The server is now consolidating, pero may pumapasok na. It is now what time? It is 7:12. So that there are transmissions happening now. We are just waiting to reach a larger number before we consolidate and report. But confident ho kami na kami mauna dito with all of you. So, just a little patience, lalabas na. Thank you very much. Can we repeat? Grace po at number 1. Lauren Legard at number 2. This is 30 out of 78,000 clustered precincts. Number 3 is Aquino. P9 number 4. Escudero number 5. Cayetano number 6. Angara number 7. Cynthia Villar at number 8. Coco Pimentel at number 9. Antonio Trillanes at number 10. Mon Magsaysay at number 11. Mig Zubiri number 12. Risa Hontiveros is at number 13. For the party list, you can also see number 1 right now is I Care. A little too fast. Let me go back. So you can look at the 4 screens in the center of the screen on the upper left for the national. The big screen on the left side, the LED shows us the party list rankings. So we have the party lists on the left screen. Luis, can we have the national data back on the national screen? Or at least on the first 4 monitors on top. Risa Ontiveros at 13. JV at 14. Gordon at 15. Juan Ponce and Billy Jr. at 16. Onasan at 17. Jambi at number 18. Mitos Magsaysay at number 19. Hagedorn at number 20. Brother Villanueva number 21. Ting Cojuangco number 22. Manong Ernie Maceda 23. Teddy Casino at number 24. Bon Montaño 25. Samson Alcantara at 26. JC De Los Reyes at 27. Dito David at 28. Greco Bellica at 29. Ricardo Penson at 30. Val Falcone number 31. Marlon Yasas at number 32. Christian Senieres at number 33. And you can see here number 1 right now is Grace. Can we